Hello everyone, I'll be home for Christmas. I did mess up a little bit in the beginning right here. Let's do it one more time. The beginning is a little slower. Let's go intro. And here the song begins. That is better. I'm not going to play it much slower. Do you think we should go much slower? this tutorial mainly for my own students, and let's make this clear. I'm doing this tutorial mainly for my own students, and if someone wants to jump in and join us, you're more than welcome to take lessons from me as well. You can just write to me, and I'm doing this tutorials for someone who reads music. So I'm assuming you either take lessons with someone, or maybe you can read music and you're looking for somebody to just help you a little bit. But you definitely read music. So I want you to get the book and have the book in front of you. I'll just give you a little idea how the song goes. That's the point of my tutorials. And just to give a suggestions on a good book, because I have a huge library that I would like to share it with somebody. This D. I think it's a very popular song, so you know how it goes, and it's pretty slow. So anything fast, I would definitely. 1, 2, 3, 4. So this E starts on 2. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3. What did I do? 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. I hope you enjoyed.